After the family history, you now move to the medication history. In this section, you will ask questions about your client's current medication. First, you will ask about prescription medications. Again, with a simple question. Are you taking any prescription medication? Things like pills, injections, inhalers, and then listen to the client. If the answer is yes, then you come up with the follow-up questions like, can you tell me the name of the medication? What dosage do you take? How often do you take it? And so on. After that, you might want to remind your client of some medication that clients often forget. That is, a simple question again. Are you taking any other medication, such as birth control pills? And you just go ahead and give them those medications that are often forgotten. And then you will ask them about any alternative medication or over-the-counter medication they are taking. Simple question again. Do you use any alternative treatment for any health problems? And then you can again make suggestion like things like herbal products or homemade remedies, and then listen to the client's answer. Or you can ask, are you taking any over-the-counter medicine? Things like vitamins or other supplements. Once you have all this information, then you ask about your client's drug allergies. Simple question again, are you allergic to? You kind of suggest the common medication allergies, and once you have the answer, if the answer is yes, you definitely want to know what type of allergic reaction your client had. Was it swelling or rash or whatever reaction it was? And finally, you will have to get information about your client's lifestyle. And in this section, there are many questions you can ask. As I said, you might ask questions about alcohol use, with again a simple question at the beginning, like, do you currently drink alcohol? Or, have you been drinking in the past? And if the answer is yes, you start with your follow-up questions like, how much a day? How often? What do you drink? Beer or wine or liquor? How old were you when you started drinking? You can do the same with smoking and caffeine use. Just start with, do you smoke? And if the answer is yes, come up with the follow-up questions. How many cigarettes a day? How often, etc. And then you will ask questions about the recreational drug use. Just simple questions again. Do you take any recreational drug? And here it is important to let the client know that it is okay to tell you, and whatever they tell you will remain strictly confidential. So you ask the question, and if they say yes, then you go on with the follow-up questions like which ones, how often, etc. Other questions you can ask in this section include questions about the client's sexual life, the, the reproductive status. Do they have children? Have they ever had any miscarriages? All these questions related to their reproductive status. And you may also want to ask about their occupational issues. How stressful their work is. Are they exposed to dangerous substances, etc.? You can ask about their hobbies and if they exercise. All these if they are relevant to the chief complaint. After getting all the information, you will now need to close the interview, where you will let the client know that that's the end of the interview, and give them the opportunity to add any other information or ask any question they might have. Well, that concludes this section on client interview. Thank you for being here, and I look forward to talking to you very soon. Bye bye.